Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to practice more than 50 daily use English sentences. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's get started. ମୋତେ ଭୋକ ଲାଗୁଛି. I am feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry. ତୁମେ ଏହା ପଢୁଛ କି? Are you reading this? Are you reading this? ମୋତେ ଶୋଷ ଲାଗୁଛି. I am feeling thirsty. I am feeling thirsty. ସେ ମୋ ସହିତ କଥା ହେଉନାହାନ୍ତି. He has not talked to me. He has not talked to me. ମୁଁ ଖୁସି ଅଛି. I am happy. I am happy. ମୁଁ ଆସିଯାଇଛି. I have arrived. I have arrived. ମୁଁ ଦୁଃଖିତ. I am sorry. I am sorry. ତୁମର ଏ କାମ ହେଲା କି? Is your work done? Is your work done? ମୋତେ ଦୁଃଖ ଲାଗୁଛି. I am feeling sad. I am feeling sad. ମୁଁ ଅନେକ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଜାଣେ. I know many people. I know many people. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଭଲ ପାଏ. ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ହେବ ଆପଣ କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସନରେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ. ତାର ଜୀବନ ଖୁସିପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଅଟେ. His life is full of happiness. His life is full of happiness. ମୁଁ ଏହା ଚାହେଁ ନାହିଁ. I don't want this. I don't want this. ମୁଁ ଏହି ସମସ୍ୟା ସମାଧାନ କରିପାରିବି. I can solve this problem. I can solve this problem. ତୁମେ ଏଠିକୁ ଫେରି ଆସ. Come back here. Come back here. ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଜଣେ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଲୋକ. I am an important person here. I am an important person here. ମୁଁ ଦୟାକରି ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରୁଛି. I am waiting patiently. I am waiting patiently. ସେ ଚାହିଁନାହାନ୍ତି. He does not want. He does not want. ମୋତେ ଗୋଟେ ସମସ୍ୟା ଅଛି. I have a problem. I have a problem. ଏହା ଏଠି ଅଛି. It is here. It is here. ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ. Thank you. Thank you. ମୋ ହାତ ଖୁବ୍ ଥଣ୍ଡା. My hands are very cold. My hands are very cold. ଦୟାକରି ଏକଥା ଆଉଥରେ କହ. Please say it again. Please say it again. ତାର ଆଉ କିଛି ଟଙ୍କା ନାହିଁ. He has no more money. He has no more money. ମୋତେ କିଛି ଜଣା ନାହିଁ. I don't know anything. I don't know anything. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଦେଖିପାରୁଛି. I can see you. I can see you. ତୁମେ ମୋତେ କ୍ଷମା କର. Forgive me. Forgive me. ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଏଠିକି ଆସିବି ନାହିଁ. I will not come here again. I will not come here again. ଏହା ଜଣାଇବାକୁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ. Thanks for letting me know. Thanks for letting me know. ସେଦିନ ସେ ଆସିଥିଲା. He came that day. He came that day. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଚାହିଁଛ? What do you want? What do you want? ମୁଁ ଏହା ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବି. I will try this. I will try this. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କରିପାରିବ? What can you do? What can you do? ତାର ହସ ବହୁତ ଭଲ. His smile is very nice. His smile is very nice. ମୋତେ ଏହା ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା. I liked it. I liked it. ମୁଁ ଏଠି ମୁହଁ ଧୋଇବି. I will wash my face here. I will wash my face here. ମୁଁ ଏହି ସ୍ଥାନକୁ ଭଲ ପାଏ. I like this place. I like this place. ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଆସିପାରିବି କି? Can I come here? Can I come here? ଭଲ ରୁହ ଏବଂ ଯତ୍ନ ନିଅ. Stay well and take care. Stay well and take care. ଏହି କାମ ହେଇଗଲା. This work is done. This work is done. ଏହା କେତେ ଦରକାର? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? ମୁଁ ଏଠି ନଥିଲି. I was not here. I was not here. ମୋତେ ଏହି ଜିନିଷ ଦରକାର. I need this item. I need this item. ସେ ଖେଳୁଥିଲେ. He was playing. He was playing. ଦୟାକରି ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରନ୍ତୁ. Please wait. Please wait. ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଜାଣେ. I know him. I know him. ମୋତେ ଏକ ଟିକେଟ୍ ଦିଅ. Give me a ticket. Give me a ticket. ସେ ଆଉ କିଛି କହିଲା ନାହିଁ. He did not say anything else. He did not say anything else. ମୁଁ ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସି ନେବି. I will take a taxi. I will take a taxi. ମୁଁ ଏହା ବୁଝିପାରିଲି. I understood this. I understood this. ଏଠି ଖାଦ୍ୟ କେଉଁଠି ମିଳିବ? Where can I get food here? Where can I get food here? ତୁମେ ଏଠି ରୁହ. Stay here. Stay here. ମୋତେ ଖୁସି ଲାଗୁଛି. I am feeling happy. I am feeling happy. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ପାଇଁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରୁଛି. I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. ମୁଁ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହୋଇଗଲି. I was surprised. I was surprised. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଖାଉଛ? What are you eating? What are you eating? ମୋତେ ଶାନ୍ତି ଲାଗୁଛି. I feel relaxed. I feel relaxed.